up to 20% off the new Osmo Action. If you want to know how, keep watching. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and the Osmo Action was released just a few days ago. Now, we always want the latest gadgets and the latest tech, but our wallets don't always allow us to stretch to buying everything as soon as it's released. But DJI have just released a new scheme called Trade-in, also known as Recycle. And basically, if you've got an old action cam, they'll give you up to 20% in DJI store credit off buying the new Osmo Action. So just to clarify, that's almost $70 off. Now, I don't know the specific terms of the deal yet, or the kind of condition that the action camera that you're trading in has to be in, but hopefully those will all be on the website, so click the link in the description to read more about this trade-up offer. In the meantime, it isn't just action cameras. In fact, DJI have said they'll give you up to 10% off for any old tablets, mobile phones, or even drones. So if you've got something sat around and you're not using it, it might get you up to 10% off in the store as well. Now, although we all want the latest tech, we don't necessarily need it, but you're going to have to think fairly quickly because this offer starts on the 15th of May on the launch day, and it only runs until the 15th of June, so you've got a month to make up your mind. I'm currently in Sweden in a little place called Hillier, where there is this beautiful water tower in the background, a stunning building, and I'm going to be wandering around today taking some footage. So without further ado, let's just show you some more Osmo Action footage. This is shot in 1080p, 50 frames per second. Enjoy. Remember, click that link in the description below to read more about this trade-up deal, and please hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.